My name's Doug Cambridge. I am the parts manager here at Moose Jaw Ford, and I have been here almost 9 years. My favorite part about the position, or really any position here at Moose Jaw Ford, is the customers, dealing with people, and I just like making customers happy. And one great example is accessories for any vehicle. We've got this beautiful F150 behind me that we've put quite a few accessories on. First, we've got our Cloud Rider grill inserts. They are obviously good looking on the truck, and they're also very functional. They help prevent rocks and debris from getting at your condenser, your radiator. Okay, also on this truck, we've got our Ford licensed Gatorback mud flaps. They stand up really well in Saskatchewan roads, gravel, snow, dirt, everything like that. These ones are actually an offset model on this truck to accessorize the larger tires and rims that we put on this truck, because we've also got a 2.5-inch leveling kit on this truck, and just gives it a nice aggressive look and style. So also on this truck, we've got our tri-fold hard folding cover. The nice thing about this cover is when you close it and you lock your tailgate, it is very secure, safe, and solid. It also folds right up to the back window. So as you see, you don't lose a lot of box space in the truck. You can either have it leaning against the window, or there is prop rods to be able to prop it up so that it doesn't lean against the window, whichever hauling needs you need. So if you're looking for any accessories for your vehicle, stop by, come see us, or you just want to check out some sweet trucks, come on and see us.